Today I've got a marathon of getting things done in a certain amount of time. I've got to start with food, which we're going to the Tanjung fishing village. Then I've got to go and sort out some scuba diving stuff. Then I've got to get someone in to fix the door. Basically just not got a lot of time to do a lot of things, really, because I woke up late today and it's one of those days. Anyway, we're heading off down to the Tanjung fishing village in Pada, which is about 25 minutes away from where we live. You've seen it yesterday. If you watched yesterday's video, you would have seen like I made a cinematic video on it. If you haven't seen that, go and see it. Go and check that one out. That was the video which is called How to Shoot Cinematic Videos on a Budget. So if you want to check that one out, guys, you can. Today we're just going to go down and sort of check out the food, see how it tastes like, and explore it. I'm taking Ella with me because she's off today because it's a public holiday, and we're going to head on down there now. Right guys, so we've just stopped on the way to the fishing village. I saw it yesterday but I didn't really get a chance to sort of, because I was just doing the cinematic video, so I want to sort of talk. We found this like mango growing farm here, which is awesome. Obviously you've just seen some of the videos. So we're sort of just we're going to take the drone up and just sort of have a little look around it because it's really, really pretty, and we're literally right in the middle of just jungle, and it's really cool and it's super close to where we are. So we forget sometimes that where we live is just, there is some beautiful stuff here. Oh, there's a little lizard over there, you can't see it though. But yeah, it's a beautiful, beautiful place to live, and there's just beautiful places like this to come and find.
There's a world inside my head. I get lost in it from time to time. No one has a spare key, the only one is inside of me.
So apparently the way is closed, so it looks like we're going to have to find another way around.
Hey. Oh, here we go. It's overflow. I don't really know what's on, 'cause I'm a restless soul.
Right, so we're literally going down now a road. What is it with me and going places? Oh my lord. Just going down this road here, which apparently says, this is, the guy told us this is the way to go.
There's a war in me tonight. I try to stop it.
Right, so just before we actually enter the fishing village, there's this little area right here. Literally, the fishing village is just here. It's literally 100 meters that way. But this is like a catch and release fishing place, so you can come down here if you're interested in fishing. You can stop here, come down, do a bit of fishing, catch your fish. Now it is a catch and release, which means once you catch them, you have to put them back. I don't actually know what kind of fish there are in there. I will actually come back and do a proper review of this place on its own another day. Sort of show you what it's like to catch the fish. I'm not very good at fishing, but we'll give it a go. But yeah, catch and release. Now we're going to go to the fishing village. One for the black pepper squid. So the prices here are pretty high, but it is fresh. Fresh and caught. I mean, you've seen the boats just previously. The boats coming in with literally the food is coming straight in. So the prices are quite high, but it's worth it. It's really, really nice. What do you think? It's really, really nice food. So we've gone for the squid. You've got fish, you've got crab, you've got lobster. You can do it fried. There's a big option with the foods here. Like I said, it's all fresh. Well, it's not fried food, sorry. Oh, sorry, on the picture, no fried food here, so it's all just fresh, non-fried, cooked food, and it's really, really yummy. So I'd highly recommend it. It's called the Tanjung Fishing Village. It's in Galangata, it's in the Nusajaya area, so it's sort of like 25 minutes away from Legoland in Johor, if you know Johor well enough. If you're ever visiting here, hit me in the comment section and I can explain how to get here. Yeah, I'm satisfied. Are you satisfied? She doesn't talk. She never talks on the camera. Right guys, so that meal was 31 ringgit, which is like not a lot of money. It's like £5 for a really homemade fresh squid, rice, and a little drink as well. So really reasonably priced. Obviously I said it was quite expensive, but that's for obviously the crab and the lobster and stuff like that, which is always going to be more expensive anyway. But highly recommended it, guys. Also, if you've not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button now, and I'll see you tomorrow.